In this video, we are unboxing the integral 3-jaw hydraulic puller. The instruction manual, the O-ring washer, the gloves, the handle, the pump body and forcing screw, 3 puller jaws, the puller ring, the puller plates, retaining bolts for the jaws. From top to bottom is maximum rated pull capacity 5 tons, jaw spread range 50 to 200 millimeters, hydraulic ram maximum stroke 50 millimeters, maximum effective jaw depth 140 millimeters. From top to bottom on the tool is handle connection clips, lock nut, hydraulic pump body, hydraulic cylinder body, pressure relief valve, extension adjusting screw set, forcing screw. Now let's go through the assembly demonstration. First, install the puller ring onto the cylinder body. Remove the puller plates. Now install the puller plates onto the puller ring. The plates are installed in pairs. Install the bolts. Also, insert the flat washers and nuts. Now assemble the jaws to the plates. Align the holes on the plates with the jaws. Install the bolts. Then add the washers and nuts. This is the 3-jaw setup. If you need to convert to a 2-jaw configuration, loosen the 2 puller ring bolts and use only 1 mounting hole per side. Now install the handle. Just align the handle with the holes and insert it. The round knob in the center with markings is the pressure relief valve. Turn it clockwise to pressurize. Turn it counterclockwise to release hydraulic pressure. Pump the handle to extend the forcing screw. After using, turn the relief valve knob back to on. The forcing screw ram will retract automatically. Once retracted, turn the knob to off to lock the relief valve. This puller kit is suitable for removing various components, such as bearings, rolling bearings, gears, pulleys, motor fans, crankshaft pulleys, and more. The above assembly instructions are for demonstration only. In actual use, please apply the tool appropriately based on the specific application and working conditions.